advantage of the blockchain technology is that it's currently the safest method to store data. It's much safer as just the best computer in the world. Essential protection of all the data. And blockchain is a decentralized protocol for transactions between parties. It means it's not built on a computer, but it's actually built on many small computers. So it's impossible to hack that. You capture every change transparently. And when you make a summary about the blockchain, it's safe, it's fast, cost effective, and saving resources. And I thought, when I heard that about blockchain, that it was just crypto, but it's not. I experienced and I learned this later. It's not just sending coins. Now, cryptocurrency and exchanges and a lot of that stuff, yes, it's built on blockchain. But when you look at all the brands, which you can see here on this picture, so like the HSBC Bank or Ford or Pfizer, DHL, Siemens, Shell, so many categories. Walmart is the biggest company on the planet. It's a supermarket chain. What those companies have to do with currency, cryptocurrency, nothing. But they're all using already blockchain technology, storing data. And when you listen to the CEO, the founder of Binance, which is the biggest exchange, the crypto exchange, he said that blockchain will be bigger than the internet. I think that is something very special. So then my question always is, how much money is being made and is still made on internet? And now something is coming what will be bigger than internet. How much money is going to be made on blockchain? So I think that is one of the reasons that you should open your eyes and ears and listen very carefully, because the world has changed, but it's changing faster and faster and faster. The speed is just going up. Because we got today professions and jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago. We didn't know them. And in 5 years, we will see a lot of jobs or professions, and they don't exist at the moment now. So what does it mean? That the ones who are now dealing with digitalization, blockchain technology, and tokenization will be the winners in the future. That is the future market. Yeah, when you read a little bit left and right, you will see that you have to be in this momentum, what is coming on. And that is exactly what is so unique about this presentation, I think, for you, is that we're going to talk about a fintech company that is ZENIQ Technologies. It's a company in Dubai set up there. It's a combination of financial services and technology. Fintech is a combination of financial services and technology. Companies like Apple Pay or Google Pay or PayPal or N26, that's the fastest growing online bank in Europe. It's from Germany. These are all fintech companies. And if you want to do fintech, you need the technology, but you need also somebody or a company who's doing the financial services. And that is being done by our cooperation partner. Can you imagine ZENIQ has got a partner, and that is a fully licensed bank. That is the OCS International. Good. Now let's have a look very shortly on ZENIQ. ZENIQ has started in 2018 in Austria, started with an idea. In 2019, they have started the project development and the prototyping. In 2020, they had a failed collaboration with a third party, with an investor. But after that, the bank came in, and in 2021, in Dubai, really, we started with that on 24th of May of 2021, ZENIQ Technology as a company. You can see it on the certificate of incorporation. ZENIQ Technology Limited was founded in Dubai. OCS International, also in Dubai. It's an investment bank. It's fully licensed and regulated by the Dubai Financial Service Authority. So all the banks in Dubai has got that license, that approvement. This bank also. It is giving all kinds of products and services like all the other banks. What do you want to imagine? A commodity trading, asset management, bank instruments, debit card, etc. But the beautiful thing is that the OCS is in Dubai, ZENIQ is in Dubai, and this bank is also working with a lot of banks international and has got, I believe, more than 500 million funds. It's a private bank, but what is very unique, it has also a crypto fund, so a crypto-friendly bank. Good. Now let's have a look at the partners or the strategic partnerships of ZENIQ as people. 25 people in Dubai. One of the strategic partnerships is one of the royal families. That's the Sheikh Saeed. So can you imagine the royal family in Dubai, and one partner that is the Sheikh Saeed. He's strategic partner. We got more than 50 developers working. One of the partnerships is of course the OCS group, which I'll explain. That's the bank. And we are working together with Safir Global, that is also our strategic partner. And it's not just for us, but ZENIQ is also supporting the realization of the following goals in the Emirates. Shortly, it's helping actually a lot of institutions or people who want to go on the blockchain technology. Dubai want to be 100% on blockchain, and I think they're using our know-how. Good. Why we decided, and especially I decided to start with this company, because you have a lot of cryptocurrencies on the market, thousands of coins and thousands of tokens. And mostly when you see after a couple of weeks or months or years, you see that the coin is not successful. And I tried to find out what is the reason that so many coins are not having success. Because people cannot use it. If you have a currency, it doesn't have to be cryptocurrency, but a currency. Imagine you got a dollar and you can only buy shoes with this, or only tomatoes. So do you think that that currency will survive? People will not use it because how many times you are buying shoes per day or per week or per month? So you need a currency or a cryptocurrency, and you want to have a whole ecosystem where you can use it. And mostly what I see in the projects, you have got projects on the blockchain. They have got just a debit card, just staking, just an exchange, just doing a little bit on a decentralized exchange, just mining, just minting, etc. So, but that's not enough. And this is amazing. ZENIQ is, in my eyes, the first project and company who has created a 360-degree ecosystem with a decentralized blockchain, with own swap, with own debit card, with own staking tip platform, with an own application, which is a wallet with, I will explain it, with everything which you need, you can put it in, with own decentralized exchanges, with own hubs, ZENIQ hubs to mint, to produce the ZENIQ coin, with an own platform where it will be the future of finance and projects, that is tokenization. Only that is a multi-trillion-dollar market. On platform, on this tokenization, to do NFTs and a lot of things more, and also the smart chain, of course. So when you look at this and you have a cryptocurrency, and that is the ZENIQ coin, you can use it, and then it's possible to reach a very high standard in the cryptocurrency world. Good. Now let's have a look at the ZENIQ blockchain, because I mentioned in the beginning that we have something unique. The ZENIQ blockchain has got a huge difference between all the other blockchains. It can work across the board. ZENIQ has got its own blockchain. It can work across the board, but it's doing this by not using technology wrapping like all the other blockchains are using. So the ZENIQ blockchain has got a technology what is unique, but nobody has. All blockchains and all the coins and tokens are being united on one blockchain. So this is unique, and I will explain this when I explain the exchange, because with this technology, it is possible for us to be the first real decentralized exchange of its kind. No more wrapping required. I always give an example like, let's go back to year 2007. We had a lot of brands, a lot of companies in the mobile telephone industry like Nokia, Ericsson, Philips or BlackBerry, Sony. They had all the same technology in the same market. And then in 2007, a new company with a new technology came, what nobody had. That was the iPhone. And we all know what happened with Nokia's and the rest. This is going to happen this year when ZENIQ is starting the first real decentralized exchange with a technology what nobody has. So let's see what's going to happen. Good. And then we have got this ZENIQ Hub. The ZENIQ Hub is an access key. This is the access to your financial, I call it freedom. The ZENIQ Hub is a hardware product. It looked like it's an iPad in the front, but on the backside it's different. It's a hardware wallet. It's a touch screen, so a lot of technical things. I don't think that is exactly important, but it's a portal for digital investments. You will have direct access to the decentralized ZENIQ exchange through your hub. No KYC required. Each ZENIQ hub is a ZENIQ masternode. Minting function is on it, and the ZENIQ coin can be used as a platform for all the targets. So the ZENIQ hub is the technology what the ZENIQ is going to put on the market. Good. And maximum security, of course. It's all built in. It's a decentralized network. It's regulation free, so you don't need any BaFin, FINMA, or SEC license. Own hardware nodes is protecting the whole network. It's like the Bitcoin network. Our own hardware is taking over the protection. No third-party authentication. ZENIQ Hub generates a private key only visible for the owner. You can buy and you can sell directly from the ZENIQ Hub. So the ZENIQ Hub is a masterpiece, is a top technology product. Good. And now the ZENIQ Hub, because this is so important. If you have the best 360-degree economy, but you cannot connect millions and hundreds of millions of customers, it's worthless. So the ZENIQ app is the connection machine to, I think, hundreds of millions of people. It's a decentralized wallet. So it's transforming your smartphone to a decentralized wallet. Real time, you can do fiat and crypto transactions. Crypto and fiat payments you can do online or offline, so in the shop. It's private, it's secure. You get your own wallet on your smartphone. The smartphone is paired with the ZENIQ Hub. So on the ZENIQ Hub, you're producing your ZENIQ coins and you send it directly to your smartphone and you can use that. It's very simple. And they are going to put very other functions, more functions on the ZENIQ Hub. Good. The ZENIQ debit card, online purchases, you can book tickets with that. It's connected with SIPA, IBAN. You can make purchases and payments. It's globally extracted, etc. So just give me one second. I'm sorry. Just give me 1 second. Okay. I'm sorry. It's just an interruption. Good. So that is the ZENIQ debit card, fixed fee for cash withdrawal across the globe. So you will have crypto on it, you will have fiat money on it. So that is actually something that is very special. And we are going to have millions and millions of customers. This is what I think. Yeah. So the activation, it's in preparation in the first quarter. We are going to have that. ZENIQ paying with crypto coins becomes reality. So there is a lot of technology already ready so that we will have the fusion of crypto and real financial world. You can buy, you can sell. No more crypto addresses are being required. The app connection with the ZENIQ app. So I explained a little bit. Good. Then the first decentralized exchange from ZENIQ is coming very soon. So I cannot give you the date, but I know it is soon. This is going to be the ZENIQ swap. It's like Uniswap or Pancake Swap. This is going to be the ZENIQ swap on the ZENIQ blockchain. Good. Now the ZENIQ exchange. I hope you understand it, that the ZENIQ blockchain has got one unique technology so that we are going to create the first real decentralized crypto exchange. And the ZENIQ exchange will be one of the most customer-friendly exchanges, the best exchange rates, low transfer costs, because we're not using a very expensive blockchain. The ZENIQ blockchain is very cheap. IBAN compliant verification, very low fees, much cheaper than the traditional exchanges. And if you use the ZENIQ coin for exchanging, you will have additional fee advantages. It's like the BNB on Binance, and now it's the ZENIQ coin. We are using the Euro coin as a stable coin, connected not to the dollar, but to the euro. We will have a lot of all popular standard crypto trading pairs will be on this exchange. And there will be also other assets of all kinds, from coins and tokens to counter other digital assets will be there. And our goal is to be position our exchange among the top 10 exchanges in the world from year 3. And so when I'm seeing you thinking, how is that possible? What do you think? Why we can be in the top 10? Good. For this, I want to explain you what is the difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges and the ZENIQ exchange. So when you look at all the crypto exchanges on the market, you can make two groups. Group one are the centralized exchanges, and group number two are the decentralized exchanges. Centralized is built on a computer. Decentralized is built on a blockchain. It's very easy explained, yeah? What you're building on a computer, you can hack, you can steal, you can turn it off. What you build on a blockchain, you cannot steal, you cannot hack, you cannot turn it off. So where do you want to have your cryptocurrency? Do you want to have it on a computer, under control of somebody, or do you want to have your cryptocurrency on the blockchain? It's under control of the universe. Nobody can do anything about that. So that is the biggest difference. But are there decentralized exchanges? Yes. Look, Uniswap and PancakeSwap, they are decentralized crypto exchanges, safe on the blockchain. Which blockchain? Uniswap is built on the Ethereum chain and PancakeSwap is built on the Binance chain. That's perfect. Yes, but there is one problem. That's a handicap. It's a limitation. If it's built on the blockchain, like Uniswap is built on the Ethereum chain, Uniswap is speaking just one language, that is the Ethereum language. What does it mean? You cannot send other coin and tokens outside of the Ethereum blockchain. So Bitcoin, you cannot send to Uniswap. So you cannot swap Bitcoin in something else on Uniswap. It don't understand the language. The same problem has got PancakeSwap. So what do we need? We need a crypto exchange which is decentralized but speaks all the languages. So we want to have our cryptocurrency safe on a blockchain, on a decentralized crypto exchange, but it should be open for all kinds of coins and tokens. And that does not exist. Every exchange, what is existing, it's like 2007. They're using all the same technology. And then iPhone came with another technology. And now ZENIQ will come with another technology. It will be on our own blockchain, but it's compatible with all kinds and tokens, the exchange. We will have low fees, super fast transactions. We got now 12,000 transactions per second now. This was a misunderstanding. People are asking, yes, but we could go to 50,000. Yes, now it's 12,000. We don't need more, but we can build it up to a much higher level. We got super fast transactions, and all the tokenization projects are going to be on this crypto exchange. And when you look at the prices of Ethereum or Binance, what happened with them? Look at Ethereum, the 10th of August in 2015, it was 68 cents. And then in a couple of years, more than $4,000. Binance, couple of cents, $690 in 31 months. What can happen with ZENIQ? I'm not saying this is going to happen, but give me one reason why the ZENIQ coin cannot go similar to the Ethereum or the Binance price. And what if you could have 100% profit share from this exchange? How many people will go from other exchanges and come to the ZENIQ exchange? And that will be on the ZENIQ Smart Chain. Good. The ZENIQ Smart Chain. We are going to build on the ZENIQ Smart Chain the future of finance. Yeah, that is tokenization. So what is tokenization? I will try to explain it with a model. It's not the same, but it's a similar model so we can understand. I understood it like this when Erwin, the founder of ZENIQ, when he explained it like this. You get stock exchange like the Nasdaq or other stock exchanges. Very big companies are listing there, and they are selling shares. For example, you can buy a share of Tesla or a share of Microsoft. Why? You buy a share, your money is being used to make profit in those companies, and they share the profit. That is stock exchange. Take that model, put it on blockchain, you get tokenization, almost. But now something is very different because stock exchange is only for the very, very big companies, but tokenization can be for everybody a way to finance this project. You can use it also. Project financing through tokenization. Huge savings for companies. It's transparent 100%. It's very fast. It's time saving and very, very interesting. Imagine you get a project, for example, real estate in France, you are building an hotel in Paris, and you tokenize that project. It's a real estate project. It means that somebody from India, the same second, can buy that token on an exchange and get profit sharing from that hotel when that hotel is being finished. So, can you imagine somebody from India buys immediately a token from that project? So, what can be tokenized? What is the market? Real estate, solar projects, wind power projects, art, paintings, NFTs, which is amazing. On the metaverse, I don't know what is all going to come, but patents, licenses, contracts of work. So, and the volume, what is being expected, that is actually something from the World Economic Forum. It's a forecast in 2027. So we're in 2022. So in 5 years, this market is going to be $24 trillion. Trillion, not billion. And I think that is a very low estimation. I think it's going to be more. So when you look at this graphic, 24 trillion, I think it's been, or we all think that it's going to be much, much, much higher as that. So that is ZENIQ with his blockchain, built there the tokenization technology, and jump in the world. So how big can this be? And if you imagine that everything what we're going to do will be connected directly or indirectly with the ZENIQ coin, give me one reason why the ZENIQ coin will not grow in price. So, and that is exactly what I'm going to talk about the ZENIQ coin. The ZENIQ coin is already listed on PancakeSwap, on Uniswap. The ZENIQ swap will come soon, and then the ZENIQ exchange. Then we have the coin listed on 4 decentralized crypto exchanges. If we need more, we will have more. So this is going to be a real wealth creation through real project and real use cases. I showed you all those use cases. And it's very important for having a good price increasing by knowing the limited number of the coins. Yeah, so we will not have 20 billion ZENIQ coins. Yeah, then it's very difficult to reach $1,000 for a coin. We got limited number of coins. We got limited number of minting power, the minting machines. We have annual halving, that's a time halving, plus we got a sales halving. So that will be explained later through the person who's invited you. And we got a distribution of profits of the ZENIQ exchange. What does it mean? If you own one ZENIQ coin, you get 1 share on the profit distribution of the exchange. It means that the profit of the exchange, there is a method for that. Indirectly, you can participate in that profit. All the tokenization projects are going to be connected, what I said, directly or indirect with the ZENIQ coin. Okay, so when you put all this together, I think that you have to own the ZENIQ coin in my eyes. So halving, what does it mean? Bitcoin is doing this every 4 years, but we got 2 halvings, the time halving. It depends on the blockchain period. Every year, from the 10th of February to the next 10th of February, we will have 50% less minting coins per day. That's one. And we got a sales halving. Every 1,000 hops, the next block of 1,000 will mint less. So do you know what it means? When do you have to buy the hub to produce ZENIQ coins? Not tomorrow, now, because tomorrow it can come in the sales halving or in the time halving when it's in February, of course. So the faster that you own actually a ZENIQ hub, the more coins you are going to produce. Yeah? This is just a decision what you have to do. Good. Let's make a summary. So I know I explained a lot of things, but when you look at this slide, you see actually a long-term strategy. On the right side, you see our crypto exchanges. Unique, we get something what nobody has. This is going to be the iPhone. On the left, you got the tokenization platform, which has got a multi-trillion-dollar capacity. And we are one of the biggest, I think, in 1 or 2 years worldwide in the new generation financing projects. We got a hub so that you can produce your own ZENIQ coins. When you put this all together and all the use cases, this must go to an increase in value. Yeah? And what is, of course, sensational is that the company ZENIQ is going to do a regular buyback of the ZENIQ coins by ZENIQ Technologies Limited. It's like similar to the Binance BNB and 100% profit distribution. I explained you this. So, and then what I said in the beginning, this is a real system coin. It's a coin backed by reality. Yeah, this is real. This is real. Coin supply and demand on the exchanges, it can be trillions per month, yeah, like the other exchanges. Use of the decentralized ZENIQ exchange and the ZENIQ services offered. You can see it from debit card, from the hub, from the app, from tokenization, from so many other things, buying and selling. Everything is on in that 360-degree economy, fees and targets of the tokenization projects, profit sharing of the decentralized exchange, and much more is coming. This is all coming. You can see it on the arrow. This is all coming to the coin, backed by reality. That's the real wording. So own it. Good. And to own the ZENIQ coins, you have two ways. You can buy it on exchange, or you can be one of the exclusive customers. Because it's limited, we expect that we will have about 500,000 customers who will own a ZENIQ minting product. That is the hardware. That is like the iPad, or it's just a processor, but it's hardware what you're buying. We are a product company. And it depends on the capacity what you're buying, how many coins you are producing per day, per month, per year. Yeah. So you can start even by buying a very small share. It's starting from 100 euro. The full hub will be 1,499. That is the housing hub. That's the processor. It's working in our servers. But if you want a physical product, you order the ZENIQ hub. The difference between the housing hub and a ZENIQ hub, one is a physical product plus tax plus delivery. It costs a little bit more, but you have to check. And we have a lot of people who are not just buying one, they're buying 2 or 4 or 8. It's like having one computer or 4 computers or 8 computers producing every day for you. It's the processor. So, and when you look at this is your access to the financial sovereignty and active wealth accumulation. That's the right wording. I think we have got now more than 300,000 people who have joined, and both a technology what is working for them. But I think you're in the right time now. And the reason is that I will show you later one slide. We started in 2018, but now we're getting the strategic partners. It's like Ethereum has got a lot of ERC20 projects. We started now on the ZENIQ blockchain with the first new strategic corporations. The first one is Tupan. Tupan is the first ever and only SEC regulated digital asset issuer in the US. It's the first DeFi token backed by NFTs, is switching now to the ZENIQ blockchain. That's one. The second one, it's also a strategic cooperation, that is Avinok. Avinok migrates to the blockchain of ZENIQ. But I just want to explain a little bit more about Avinok. Avinok, let's look at first on the market. How big is the market? You can see the trillions and the billions there, because 350,000 aircraft worldwide, that is the market. And charters, business aviation, private aviation, and the BizAv, that is a business aviation, is the commercial, customized, and unscheduled transport of passengers and cargo with business jets. So it's like the Uber, but now with business jets. So how big that can be, we cannot imagine, because the world is changing. In Uber, every car is a taxi. So how many cars we have? So and the beautiful thing about this opportunity is that there is no digital solution available in the biz app to directly book a business or cargo flight, like booking an airline ticket. It's not there. There is there are many digital solutions like BNB, or like a booking.com, or like Uber for taxis. You get so many things, but there is no digital solution available in the business aviation industry. And VOO is going to be that. It's powered by the blockchain technology, the first all-in-one marketplace to search, book, manage, and pay private jet flights. And that is connected, of course, to the Avinok token. So this is going to be a strategic masterpiece. Do you know why? What has the Avinok to do with us? The Avinok concept or project is moving to the ZENIQ blockchain. And Sapphire Global is going to participate in the profits of that by putting the product staking tips on the market, and we can participate in the profit of those staking tips. So what is this exactly? When it's so far, because it's planned to start coming soon, we will give you all the information, how you can participate, how you can earn money with this. I think it's an amazing product, and it's an amazing project. Yeah. So put it on the side. Good. Now let's finish. As I mentioned in the beginning, everything what I've explained, ZENIQ has started with an idea in 2018. The project started, the activation of the blockchain, etc., delivered. And I think it's now the right timing. Why? Because app is on the market, the tokenization projects are there. The first two are switching to the ZENIQ blockchain. The ZENIQ debit card is coming very soon. The first decentralized exchange, the swap, is coming very soon. Then we will have the other exchange. We will have a lot of other products are connecting all to the ZENIQ blockchain. So I think it's the right timing. We will have also the ZENIQ University. This is going to be the first real university which is going to educate worldwide people on blockchain. When blockchain is the future, why there is no university who's educating this, with a real bachelor certificate, and much more is coming. Good. That was ZENIQ. But now, how it would be if we could connect or dock this to you, to me, that we can make a business out of this. I have lived more than 43 years in the Netherlands. I studied industrial engineering and marketing. That's not so important, but what is important, I got a lot of information about franchising. This is not franchising. Yeah, we are not a franchise company. But I think the model of franchising has got a success because there is one big company who got a technology or a model or a project or a business model, and is sharing that model with thousands of franchise holders. They're participating in the success of that big thing. And it doesn't matter if you're selling hamburgers or pizzas or I don't know what, of coffee. Franchise companies are successful. But now we are not a franchise company, but I think the model is quite similar, because what if you could participate in the big thing of ZENIQ? ZENIQ has invested a lot of money, has got a lot of know-how, and has got a blockchain what nobody has, is coming with a decentralized crypto exchange of its kind. This will be the first real decentralized crypto exchange with all the elements and the parameters of what I explained, so that we have our own infrastructure. This is going to be a success. This is going to be so big that a bank wake up and said, wow, this is amazing. I have to be a partner in this. Also, one of the royal families, he said, well, this is so big. We meet this in Dubai. I want to be partner of this. And then the question is, are you also a partner of this? I am, because this is going to be so big. It's like a franchise model. You just have to dock on that by just being a customer, and then you open the door to do a business with Safir. Safir is going to be actually build the whole community and the whole customer base for this company. And we do this with a new model on the marketing industry, recommendation marketing, probably the most ingenious distribution system in the world. So, and this is done by the company Safir Global. Safir has the exclusive distribution right for the distribution of the ZENIQ products and software developments for the field of recommendation marketing. You can visit Safir in Dubai, in the Jumeirah Lake Towers. I was many times there. A lot of people from our structures, they are there, they visited there. So this is going to be a big opportunity for you, because we don't have only blockchain technology. We got blockchain technology, energy tech, health tech is coming. We are going to bring so many great products on the market, the next generation, and you can participate in this huge industry what is going to come. Yeah. And how do you earn money? Very simple. We need customers. We are not buying and selling creams or other things, which I did the last 33 years. That's working perfect. But this is another way. This is another level. Every time when you have a customer who's purchasing his product, it doesn't matter what, it's a volume. And on this volume, you can earn in three incomes: unilevel, career levels, and bonus pool. And when you look at this pay plan, um, maybe you can compare this with other pay plans. It's a 69% payout. So I will keep it very short. Unilevel, 15 levels with these percentage, you get a customer, and a customer brings a customer, and that brings a customer, 15 levels. You can have hundred thousands of customers in 15 levels. You get paid. Two, when you have customers, they create up, they create a volume. 100 euro is volume, 100,000 euro is also volume. Those total volumes plus another parameters will bring you, every time when you reach a certain volume, another career. Like Ruby, you need 10,000 euro team volume. Double Ruby, you need 20,000. But it's very important is all the volumes what you need for the careers are accumulated volume. So it's not like in network marketing that at the end of the month they delete your volume. No, it's staying there. You can go to holiday 3 months, you come back, you still get your 10,000 volume. So that means if you keep doing your business, because of the volumes are going on top, it's accumulated. It is possible for everybody to reach the highest level. It's just a matter of time and a little bit work. And when you go to the top, accumulated, you can earn more than 4.6 million euro, just career levels, not paid in coins or tomatoes, it's paid in euros, career levels. That's two. Three, then we got something very special, that is getting paid on the worldwide sales. That's a dream of everybody. Yeah. So you are living in Nigeria or India, and you can get commission because somebody in Germany has bought a product, or vice versa. Yeah. And that is depending on how many people are being qualified for that pool and how much is the monthly sales. Everyone 10% goes in this bonus pool, and it depends on your career, how many shares, how many stars you have, you get paid. And it depends on what is the price of every share. So I'm finished. We will have, of course, a lot of support to you. We got a lot of leaderships who are going to help you. So it's new for you, but it's new for everybody. It was also new for me. But your upline, we get professionals, we get real good leadership here. They are going to help you. They're going to support you. You're not alone. The only thing what you have to do is buy a product. If you're able to buy on Amazon.com a product, you can start this business. And we're going to help you, of course, with a lot of technology, like landing pages, like trainings, like webinars, like meetings, etc. Yeah. So that was it. Next step. Now talk to the person who invited you. Don't forget to ask all your questions. Understand everything, and then you can say always yes or no, but understand. Don't make the mistake what I made 10 years ago. People were talking about Bitcoin, and my first question was, "Who's the owner? Where's the company?" They said, there's no company." I said, "Okay, forget it." And after 10 years, I'm still crying. If I bought for 10,000 euro Bitcoins, I was multi-billionaire. And the reason why I'm not multi-billionaire is that I didn't ask my questions. Because if I ask my questions, I should find out that it's a risk, but I would take that risk. So today, ask your questions and then choose the best product for you. Think about this. This project, in my eyes, this can be one of the most powerful cryptocurrencies on the market because it has got so many things what other coins don't have. What if the ZENIQ coin can do the same like Ethereum or BNB or other coins? Yeah? So choose the best product and then start with your success business. This is so easy to do. We have people who have built in 6, 7 months more than 100,000 customers. They made so much money with this. Good. Thank you very much. Become a master of your own finances. Again, the world is changing. You need a plan B, and I think you need a way how people are going to make money in the future. Corona has learned me how to stay just home and make a lot of money through Zoom calls. I see so many people are making money just through Zoom. This is the future. Be there. Thank you very much. I'll see you back soon. Bye bye.